Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nandita Sharma. I've been working for last 26 years. I'm an educator, motivational speaker and also philanthropist. I think in my long journey of being an educator, I felt that training was something that was missing for me. Though I am a British Council trained trainer for the education side, but I always felt that corporate side I would like to try on. I was looking for many courses and I came across many things, and the kind of training that I was looking to, I got here at ProTouch. It is covering every aspect of training. It is not just that you are only educating people or you're just learning the ways. It is also how to go about it. So that was the beauty of this course, that I learned those things. And from an education background, coming to the corporate world, I think it is a little bit challenging. So I think this course will help me in developing that particular area. I think Dr. Aparna Sethi and Rahul Sethi, they were the main people who made this course really a wonderful task for me, or maybe a wonderful experience for me. Because I think the way the course was delivered, that was the heart of the entire thing. It is like, as an educator, I understand how things are delivered, but the way the things they were taken up in this particular course, that was really brilliant. I learned the ways from the beginning, from the scratch to the end of it, and also how to develop yourself, how to become that trainer who's respected, who's sought after, and who's really becoming a successful trainer. So that is something that I really liked about this particular course, and I really thank Dr. Aparna Sethi and Rahul Sethi for the same. I think where I stand today, I have a lot of experience, but I look forward to an area where probably I can retire soundly. So training is one area that I've been looking forward to as a profession. Even if I'm not in a job, even if I'm not doing anything, I would certainly take up trainings in future. So this course has helped me develop that, learn that, and there's a lot of hand holding here. It's not just the course, it is a lot of things attached to it. There's a soft skill training, there's an internship, and I think everything about ProTouch has been very professional. That was something I really liked, and the concepts that were given there, the way the things were taken up, the way the models were discussed, the way that we could implement those models in our working or probably the training sessions, that was brilliant. And I learned a lot, and I'm going to use those models in my future trainings. And I really thank ProTouch, the entire team, for suggesting this course, and also to Dr. Aparna Sethi and Mr. Rahul Sethi for giving their precious insights into how to do things and how to learn and become a successful trainer. I think those who are looking for a great training, somebody who's looking for a practical training rather than just educational training, they must join ProTouch, because ProTouch gives you an entire way how to learn things, how to deliver things, and how to become a successful trainer.